Mistplay reward videos run through third-party AD networks, so when the video breaks, the problem is usually with ad delivery, not your points balance. By the end of this, you'll know how to fix reward videos that won't load, won't play, or finish without crediting. Here's the direct answer. If Mistplay rewarded videos aren't working, the first fix is to force refresh the ad request. Close the app completely. Don't just minimize it. Open your recent apps, swipe Mistplay away, wait 15 seconds, then reopen it. That clears failed ad sessions and forces the app to request a fresh video. If the video still spins or stays blank, switch networks. Go from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or mobile data to Wi-Fi. A lot of reward ads fail because of blocked ad traffic on certain routers, school networks, or public Wi-Fi. If it works on one connection and not the other, the network is the issue. Now turn off any VPN. Reward ads are tied to region-based campaigns. If your IP doesn't match your account location, the ad network may refuse to load the video. That's one of the most common reasons. Next, reset your advertising ID. Go to Settings, Google, Ads, then tap Reset Advertising ID. Mistplay and its ad partners use that ID to serve reward videos. If it's glitched, videos can fail before they start. After resetting, restart your phone. Now clear Misplay's cache. Go to Settings, Apps, Mistplay, Storage, then tap Clear Cache. If the app stored a broken ad file, this removes it. If nothing changes, tap Clear Data and sign back in. That forces the app to rebuild all ad-related files. Next, check Google Play services. Search for it in the Play Store and update it. Reward videos often depend on Play services for background communication and verification. Outdated versions can break video callbacks, which means you watch the ad, but never get credited. Battery settings can break this too. Go to Battery Optimization, find Mistplay, and set it to unrestricted. If Android kills the app during the reward process, the video can fail or close early. One extra thing: disable ad blockers, private DNS, or apps like AdGuard. Those can block the actual video source. Quick recap: audio, force close Mistplay, switch networks, disable VPN, reset your advertising ID, clear cache, update Play services, and remove ad blockers. Your next step is simple. Test one reward video after each fix so you know exactly what solved it. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Mistplay fixes.